Sometimes in the Excel tables we need to shuffle the rows randomly, but we don't have any way to shuffle them, or if we have, that will be manual ways and that will be so difficult. So for that reason we need to automate shuffling the rows in this Excel table, where we have around 50 rows and we have 4 columns like ID, name, position and salary. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to help us shuffling the rows in Excel table. So let me paste my prompt here, and the prompt is: consider the following Excel 2010 table, which contains not 3 but 4 columns, that is ID, name, position and salary, in column A, B, C and D, and write a VBA macro that shuffles the rows randomly. Make sure to shuffle only those rows that contains data and do not shuffle the header row. So let's go to Excel and let's copy this table and paste this table under this prompt, because we have told ChatGPT that consider the following table. So this will be the following table. We can just copy and paste a few rows like 5 or 6 or 10, but I've copied and pasted all the rows. You can just copy 5 or 10 rows and it will be sufficient for ChatGPT to write the script for us. Let's press enter and wait for ChatGPT's response. Okay, ChatGPT has finished writing the script for us. Let's copy the code from here, go to MS Excel. Now we need to go to Developers tab, go to Visual Basic, double click on this sheet where we have the data, and paste the script that you copied from the ChatGPT. Let's save this and close this. Now let's insert a button. For example, let me insert a button from here, and let's assign this macro to the button. Press OK. Now let's edit the text, edit text, and let me remove this text and say that shuffle rows. So this is the button, and we have assigned the macro that we just created using ChatGPT. If I click this, yes, it's shuffling the rows. Let me press shuffle rows again. We can see that the row number 35 or ID number 35 is here. If I click shuffle rows, now we have ID 30, shuffle rows, we have ID 3, shuffle rows, and it's shuffling the rows. Remember that it's shuffling only those rows that contains data, and it is skipping the header row, because we said in the prompt ChatGPT to not shuffle the header row and blank rows. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.